Yeah, so welcome again, guys. Another session, on our client's account. As always, we will try to start from $10 and try to reach 600 or more. As always, only using our binagital strategy. You can learn the binagital strategy from the description. There is a link to our website, official website, binagital.com, the only website where you can purchase our course. Purchase the course. There's 16 videos there, almost 3 hours of everything about the binagital strategy. All the basics of binary option trading. You can learn binary option trading there. You can, learn the basics and then start learning and understanding the binagital strategy. Once you understand and you understand the basics of the binagital strategy, you can start trading on demo account. Start trading on demo account. Choose a good platform that allows binary option and at the same time give you a demo account and limited demo account. You can start trading there, learn and master the binagital strategy. Once you master the binagital strategy, you will understand exactly where to enter the trades and what to avoid. You will understand everything, and basically you will be a master of binagital strategy once you understand the advanced level. And to understand the advanced level of binagital strategy, easy. All you can do, just keep practicing. Once you give it a lot of time and you understand the market, how to catch the signals, and then you can start using real money with confidence. And once you use real money, I guarantee you that you are a professional in binagital strategy. For our clients that having a hard time withdrawing money from IQ option, I don't advise you to use IQ option. You can use other platforms like Pocket or something. IQ option will give you a hard time to let you withdraw your balance or your money, but don't withdraw large amounts. This way they will give you a hard time. Don't withdraw more than $600 or $1,000 maximum. $1,000 if you are you have an account for more than 3 years on IQ option. You can withdraw up to $1,000. So advise you to withdraw lower amounts. Later I will make you a video about how to withdraw money from IQ option. For the moment, we try to keep going. Yeah. As you can see, Australian dollar USD is looking good, I'll say. Also, Euro USD wasn't that good, but I used it to make up to $760. I guess we will make up. Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry. Yeah, so once you learn the binagital strategy, you will understand how to use it, how to avoid the losing decisions. Because the problem with binary option, a lot of people don't understand that in binary option there's a lot of risk. So be careful. It's not like Forex there's less profit and less risk. Binary option more profit, but at the same time more risk. binary option is risky. This is why you need a good strategy. You need to master a good strategy, a strategy that you trust, and then you can yeah, let's see this one. Yep. So a good strategy. Once you master the strategy and you have the confidence, you trust the strategy, you understand that you don't have to use emotions to trade binary option, and then you'll stop making profit. Yeah, I will keep trading for you guys just to make you another session, another video on YouTube. But I will stop the vocals right now. Just the vocals. I'll keep trading. You can keep watching the videos. And yeah, hopefully a lot of people will learn the binagital strategy, can understand it.